if x to the power 7 plus x to the power 5 plus x to the power 3 upon x to the power 6 plus x to the power 5 plus x to the power 4 is equal to 81 upon 27, we have to find the value of x. So let's try. X to the power 7, this we can write x to the power 4 plus 3 plus x to the power 5 as x to the power 3 plus 2 plus x to the power 3 as x to the power 3, then upon x to the power 6 as x to the power 4 plus 2 plus x to the power 5 as x to the power 4 plus 1 plus x to the power 4 is equal to 81 upon 27. Now there is an identity. If a raised to the power m plus n, this is equal to a raised to the power m times a raised to the power n. So here we can write x to the power 4 plus 3 as x to the power 4 times x to the power 3 plus x to the power 3 times x to the power 2 plus x to the power 3 upon x to the power 4 times x to the power 2 plus x to the power 4 times x to the power 1 plus x to the power 4 is equal to 81 upon 27. Now in the numerator we can take x to the power 3 common and write x to the power 3 parenthesis x to the power 4 plus x to the power 2 plus 1, then upon here we can take x to the power 4 common, so x to the power 4 times x square plus x plus 1 is equal to 81 upon 27. Now x to the power 4, this also we can write it as x to the power 3 plus 1, and this means it is x to the power 3 times x. So this x to the power 3 and x to the power 3 gets cancelled. Now we have x to the power 4 plus x square plus 1 upon this x, we can send it to the right hand side and write here x square plus x plus 1, 81 upon 27. So 81 divided by 27 is 3. 3 times 27 is 81. So we can write 3 here. Now send x to the right hand side. So it will be 3x. Now if we add here x square and subtract x square, then there will be no change in the equation. X square and minus x square gets cancelled. So we can add and subtract the same number upon x square plus x plus 1 is equal to 3x. Now x square plus x square is 2x square. So we can write x to the power 4 plus 2x square plus 1 minus x square upon x square plus x plus 1 is equal to 3x. Now x to the power 4 we can write x to the power 2 then whole to the power 2 plus 2x square as 2 times x square times 1 plus 1 as plus 1 square then minus x square. If we write these together and then write minus x square, there won't be any difference. Then upon x square plus x plus 1 is equal to 3x. Now if you consider x square as a and 1 as b, then it is in the form of a square plus 2ab plus b square, and this algebraic expression we can write it as a plus b whole square. So we can write these terms in the form of a plus b whole square. So we can write it as x square plus 1 whole square then minus x square upon x square plus x plus 1 is equal to 3x. Again, if you consider x square plus 1 is equal to a and x square as b, then this is in the form of a square minus b square, differences of square, and this we can expand as a plus b times a minus b. So this we can write x square plus 1 plus x times x square plus 1 minus x upon x square plus x plus 1 is equal to 3x. Now these two terms are common factors, so we can cancel them out. So we have x square plus 1 minus x is equal to 3x. Now can we have a quadratic equation here? X square, send 3x to the left hand side, it will be minus x minus 3x plus 1 is equal to 0. So x square minus 4x plus 1 is equal to 0. Now to find the roots for quadratic equation, we have the formula here, minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac under square root upon 2a, where a is the coefficient of x square, that is 1, b is the coefficient of x, that is minus 4, and c here is 1. So let's put the values of a, b and c. Minus b means minus 4, then plus minus b square is minus 4 square minus 4 times 1 times 1, then upon 2a is 2 times 1, or minus minus plus, so it is 4 plus minus 4 square will be 16, minus is inside the bracket, so it will be positive 16 minus 4 under 2 upon 2. So 4 plus minus 16 minus 4 is square root of 12 upon 2, or 4 plus minus square root of 12, we can also write 4 times 3 under square root upon 2. Now when a times b is under square root, this also means it is a under square root times b under square root. So it will be 4 plus minus square root of 4 times square root of 3 upon 2. Now square root of 4 is 2, so 4 plus minus 2 times square root of 3 upon 2. Now we can take 2 common here, so 2 plus minus square root of 3 upon 2. So cancel this 2 and this 2. So 2 values for x are 2 plus square root of 3, and second value of x is 2 minus square root of 3. So these are the two values for x. So did you like this solution? How would you solve it? Let me know in the comment section. And the two values for x here are 2 plus square root of 3 and 2 minus square root of 3. Like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.